Welcome! Today we'll learn how to convert between liters and milliliters. Let's solve this problem. Convert 4.0 liters to milliliters. Let's visualize what we're converting. Here we have a container that holds 4 liters of liquid. 1 liter is a fairly large volume. It's about the size of a large water bottle. To convert from liters to milliliters, we need to know the conversion factor. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. This means that each liter contains 1,000 milliliters. Let's set up our conversion using the factor label method. We'll start with 4.0 liters and multiply it by our conversion factor, 1,000 milliliters over 1 liter. Notice how the units of liters will cancel out. The liters in the numerator and denominator cancel each other, leaving us with just milliliters. Now let's solve. 4.0 times 1,000 equals 4,000. Therefore, 4.0 liters equals 4,000 milliliters. Let's visualize this another way. If we were to pour our 4 liters into milliliter containers, we would need 4,000 of them. That shows us just how much smaller a milliliter is compared to a liter. To summarize, when converting from liters to milliliters, multiply by 1,000. This works because 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters.